I'm always saying, if we cannot go to the perfect yes. So this yard, absolutely beautiful, belongs once to the official side of the palace. The name of this yard is the Maiden's Yard. Why the name of Maidens? There is a story that says one day the King Peter received a payment of 100 women, very cheap to have as maidens living in the palace. Remember that in all the Moorish style, like a harem. Okay? And then, if you see the decoration or the style of this yard is from the Nile as well. The Nile always now you see that the wood is not that kind of wood now is what we still call today Alberca. Another word, the al at the beginning. So those Alberca have different purposes. On the one hand has been always the irrigation system. Yeah, the water for the gardens. Second of all, is there were any Muslim here to do the ablution.